Oh, good thing to see. There's a car here from Alaska in Toronto. Alaska car owner. Alaska plate. Check here, Alaska. Alaska plate. The bus behind. Oh, there's another bus. Wow. No stopping. They're gonna tag and tow your vehicle here. The other side is loading only. The group is Scotch Ambassador boarding tourists from other countries. Just landed to Toronto. Just landed here in Toronto. Oh, the train's coming. The Union Pearson Express train coming up. Wow, every 5 minutes you see the train viewers. There you go. The train that will bring you Toronto Pearson, downtown Toronto, Union Subway Station. Oh, another train's coming there. One arriving and one leaving. I'm gonna look more here, guys. Oh, there you go. This is the train that I'm talking about. Terminal link. Alaska plate. It's getting busy now. Everybody picking up, dropping off. There you go. Alaska, the last frontier. Oh, there you go. That's a train going to downtown Toronto now, dropping off and picking up passengers soon at Toronto Pearson International Airport. I'm gonna ask them, guys, how many days to travel Alaska to Toronto. Okay, hold on. Hello, ma'am. Sir, excuse me. How long to drive Alaska to Toronto if you drive?
10 or 12 days.
10 to 12 days.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, we just came there. We went to Alaska cruise.
Oh, wow.
Juneau, Ketchikan. Nice. Thank you. Wow, 10 to 12 days to drive Alaska from Toronto, according to the person here driving the car.